Hi there, welcome to problem 10 of the Problem Corner playlist. This is Soman and you're watching the Genesis YouTube channel. Today's problem goes like this. Consider an infinite ladder network between the points A and B as shown in the figure. Here, eta is a positive constant. What is the equivalent resistance between A and B? I suggest you pause the video and try to do this on your own. Now we will go ahead with the solution. Let the equivalent resistance between A and B be R0. Now look at this region of the circuit between the points C and D. This network is nothing but the network between A and B multiplied by the factor eta. Hence, we can expect that the equivalent resistance between C and D will be eta times R0. Therefore, we can redraw this circuit like this. The whole section to the right of C and D has been replaced by one single resistance eta R0. Now, from this circuit, the equivalent resistance between A and B comes out as 2R plus R into eta R0 divided by R plus eta R0. You can do a simple series parallel calculation and you will get this. As this is the equivalent resistance between A and B, this must also be equal to R0. And therefore we get this equation, which if we now simplify a little bit, we will get a quadratic in R0. And these are the two roots of that quadratic. Neglecting the negative root and simplifying a little bit, we will get the answer as this. This is the final answer. I hope you liked this problem. Keep watching the Problem Corner playlist for more such unique problems and even more intriguing solutions. JEE aspirants can also watch the solutions to JEE Advanced 2020 playlist. We also have a playlist called Essentials, in which we discuss problems that every physics problem solver must do. And finally, if you like the content, like, subscribe, and share widely amongst your friends. Also, press the bell icon for notifications on new content. Till the next video, stay safe and stay healthy, you all.